Hey fellow truckers, welcome back to Open Up For It. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the impact of implementing driverless trucks in the UAE. The introduction of driverless trucks in the UAE has caused a significant concern within the trucking community. Home to over 2 million workers whose livelihoods depends on this job, spearheaded by Einride, an electric and autonomous trucking company, the prospect of autonomous vehicles taking over their roles is deeply unsettling. As these driverless trucks become increasingly common on the roads of Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah and Al Ain, countless truckers face the uncertain future of their careers. Despite Einride's promise of cost effectiveness and environmental benefits, the potential human cost cannot be ignored. Many truckers who have dedicated their lives to navigating highways and ensuring the smooth flow of goods fears that the advent of autonomous trucks could render them jobless and without a source of income. This technological shift, marked by the Swedish company Memorandum of Understanding with the UAE Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure, signifies a pivotal moment in the country's embrace of self-driving technology. However, as discussions surrounding the future of trucking in the UAE progress, it's essential that the concerns and livelihoods of truckers receive the attention they deserve. Safeguarding the jobs and providing support for those affected should be paramount as the nation moves towards a more automated transportation landscape. Thanks for watching.